Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to the second part of our June 2021 Current Affairs MCQs. And in this video, we are going to discuss current affairs from 16th June till 30th June. Okay, so जो भी important current affairs होंगे हम उनको discuss करेंगे. Alright, so this is going to be a very important lecture for all your upcoming exams. Hence, please watch the video till the end, and at the end of this video, you will find certain assignment questions. So please आप उनको भी attempt कीजिए. And as always, you can contact me on these social media platforms and also visit novation.in. Here you can find the PDFs of the lectures which I'm posting on YouTube. You can give various online quizzes, and also if you like the content of Novation, you can go ahead and go to the donate button to support us. Alright friends, so with that, let's start today's session. First question for today. As per the World Giving Index WGI 2021, India is the dash most charitable country in the world. So friends, charitable here means that giving, that the country which is actually philanthropic, or it gives like people of that country gives to others. Okay, so that is the meaning of charitable. So here in this list, the correct answer is D, 14th. India is the 14th most charitable country in the world. यहाँ के लोग देना पसंद करते हैं in terms of monetary help. Alright. So as per this report, around 61% of Indians helped strangers, 34% volunteer for a good cause, and 36% donated money. So they help each other. They help in terms of money also. Okay. And this survey is conducted by asking 3 questions. Have they helped any stranger, given money, or volunteered for a good cause in a recent month? So ये 3 सवाल पूछे जाते हैं लोगों से जिनको भी सर्वे में इंक्लूड किया जाता है. Alright, so in terms of that, India is on the 14th place. Let's see another important index related question. So as per World Competitive Index 2021, what is India's rank among the 64 economies assessed? Okay, out of these 64, what is India's ranking in terms of competition? Okay, so the correct answer here is A, 43rd. India is the 43rd most competitive nation among these 64 economies. Okay, so PTN, this list was prepared by the Institute for Management Development that examined the effect of COVID-19 on economies around the world this year. And this list was led by Switzerland. So Switzerland is the most competitive economy in the world. Next, which is the most peaceful country in the world as per Global Peace Index of 2021? Another index related question, so 3 back-to-back index questions. So here the correct answer is B, Iceland. Iceland is the most peaceful country according to Global Peace Index. So last year Iceland ही top पर था. So this ranking is announced by Institute for Economics and Peace, IEP, Sydney in Australia, and India was last year on 137th position, and this year it is on 135th most peaceful country in the world. Okay, so पिछले साल अगर आप देखेंगे तो 137th पोजीशन थी, अब 135th है. और लास्ट अगर देखें तो अफगानिस्तान इज द लीस्ट पीसफुल कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड टुडे. Okay, moving forward, next is, which of the following cities of Uttar Pradesh will get India's first leather park? Okay friends, so leather park क्या है वो हम देखेंगे, and here the correct answer is C, कानपुर. So friends, अगर आपको पता होगा, कानपुर is really very famous for its leather industry, and so the answer was a little bit obvious also here कि कानपुर में ही वो leather park का सेटअप किया जाएगा. सो बेसिकली फ्रेंड्स, आपने सुना होगा IT पार्क्स होते हैं या डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पार्क्स जिस भी इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर के लिए होता है, वहाँ पर government allows the companies to set up that particular industries companies, right? So if यहाँ पर leather park बनाया जा रहा है तो वहाँ पे कई सारी companies को allow किया जाएगा. They come and set up their production plants there and manufacture leather products in that area. So this area is going to be around 235 acres, and this will be a part of mega leather cluster project of Kanpur, and this is expected to produce an employment for 50,000 people directly, and around 150,000 people will get indirect employment. Who recently became the first person in the world to hit 300 million followers mark on Instagram? So friends, here the correct answer is C, Cristiano Ronaldo, the famous football player from Portugal. So he also became the person who hit the 200 million mark, the first person, right? And he also he hit the 300 million followers first before anyone else. And one more important thing which I wanted to talk about Cristiano Ronaldo, which you should also read as a case study, was this. This is about the most talked about controversy recently about Coca-Cola, when the football star moved two bottles of Coca-Cola kept in front of him for promotion. So he was giving a press conference and he moved the Coca-Cola bottles which were there, and it became off screen. They were not visible on the screen. So this small gesture of Ronaldo cost the company a loss of $4 billion. Okay, so just because he removed that promotional bottles, the company suffered a loss of $4 billion, and its stock price dropped by 1.6% following this incident. So please आप इसके बारे में और read करिएगा या आप वीडियो को देखिएगा. Alright. Next, which of the following country will have the world's first truly environmentally friendly mineral processing plant? So friends, आपको पता होगा कोई भी mineral processing plant होता है, for example, let it be aluminium or zinc or any other plant for the matter, copper. So they cause a lot of harm to the environment because जो fumes होती हैं कोल को burn करने के बाद वो environment को बहुत बुरी तरह affect करती है. But यहाँ पर in South Korea, a company called Avi Metal has won this contract for $5 million United States dollar for 6 environmentally friendly mineral processing plants. So it has generated this technology which can produce environmental friendly mineral processing plants, right? Moving forward. Next is, which of the following state government has launched e-Pathshala and e-Mulyankan system for students of class 1 to 10 in the state? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Odisha. So this has been done keeping in mind the coronavirus pandemic, and so that student can be even without reaching school, they are able to easily understand the classes, they can attend the classes, and even teachers can easily evaluate them. All right, due to this e-Pathshala and e-Mulyankan systems. Next, which among the following is the first Indian artist celebrity to accept performance fees in cryptocurrency? So here the correct answer is C, Raftar. Rapper Raftar has announced that he will accept the payment for his shows in cryptocurrency instead of Indian rupees. Okay, so various global stars like 50 Cent, Mariah Carey, Jeezy, Sia, Fall Out Boy, Backstreet Boys, etc. They have also started accepting payment in terms of cryptocurrencies instead of actual currency. Okay, so following that, Raftar, who's a rapper, has also started doing this. Next, which of the following is the correct theme for this year's International Yoga Day? So कब celebrate होता है हमने कई बार पढ़ा है. It is celebrated on 21st June. Okay, and here the correct answer is A, Yoga for Wellness. This is the correct answer. और अगर last year का देखा जाए तो this was right. In 2020 it was Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Next, what is India's rank in 12th edition of Biennial Environmental Performance Index, EPI Index 2020? So friends, here the correct answer is 168th, which is not a good ranking. We are on 168th position. So last year अगर हम देखें तो 2018 में हम जब ये रिलीज हुआ था तब हम 167th पे थे. वी हैव इम्प्रूव्ड आवर रैंकिंग टू 168. बट अगर हम साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज़ की बात करें लाइक भूटान, म्यांमार, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, हम उन सब में सेकेंड लास्ट पोजीशन पे आते हैं. वी आर जस्ट अबव अफगानिस्तान. ओके, सो वी आर स्टिल लैकिंग बिहाइंड कंट्रीज लाइक पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट, recently, India and which of the following countries signed a memorandum of understanding for cooperation in the field of agriculture and allied sector? So friends, here the correct answer is C, Fiji. Fiji and India are going to cooperate in this agriculture sector. और फ्रेंड्स, आपको पता होना चाहिए हमारे यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड फार्मर्स वेलफेयर कौन है. ही इज मिस्टर नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर. आप प्लीज़ इनका नाम याद रखिए. नेक्स्ट, अभी MOU में क्या है दोस्तों? सो जॉइंट वर्किंग ग्रुप विल बी established and which will set down procedures and plan for recommend programs of cooperation toward achieving its aims. Next, which of these countries won the inaugural World Test Championship 2021? Very easy question. Here the correct answer is A, New Zealand. So New Zealand beaten India in the finals and became the World Test Champion, like debut champions. Okay. एंड अगर हम PTN देखें तो मैन ऑफ द मैच कौन रहे, वो है काइल जेमिसन. ही इज़ अ बॉलर ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड. Next, which of the following state is the first rabies-free state in India? Very important question, guys. Here the correct answer is D, Goa. So गोवा के सीएम कौन है? गोवा के सीएम है प्रमोद सावंत जी, एंड he also announced that Goa has not reported a single rabies case in last 3 years. पिछले 3 सालों में कोई भी रेबीज का केस यहाँ पर नहीं देखा गया है, which makes it a first rabies free state of the country. Next, which of the following state is the best performer in the recently announced Smart Cities Award 2021? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh best performer बना है in terms of Smart Cities Awards. Okay, और अगर हम देखें कि अगर सिटीज़ में बात की जाए तो सिटीज़ में इंदौर एंड सूरत वर एडजस्ड एज द जॉइंट विनर्स एज द बेस्ट परफॉर्मर्स इन द स्मार्ट सिटीज़ अवार्ड. अब उत्तर प्रदेश के बाद जो रैंकिंग है वो है मध्य प्रदेश सेकेंड एंड थर्ड इज तमिलनाडु. ओके, नेक्स्ट, who among the following topped the 2021 list of Edelgive Hurun Philanthropist of the Century? Very important question, guys. Philanthropist of the Century. So here the correct answer is C, Jamshedji Tata. He is the only Indian in this list of top 10 philanthropists, and he has a donation of worth $102 billion. Okay, can you imagine? So he has become the #1 philanthropist of this century. And he is also the founder of Tata Group, as I'm sure you are aware about. Okay, next, which state government appointed Esther Duflo, Raghuram Rajan, Arvind Subramaniam as the member of its Economic Advisory Council to the Chief Minister? Okay, so friends, इनको include किया गया है as a advisory council for economics. Okay, Economic Advisory Council. So here the correct answer is D, तमिलनाडु. फ्रेंड्स, ये लोग क्यों फेमस हैं? बिकॉज एज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आपको कुछ आइडिया होगा. एस्थर डफलो इज अ नोबेल लॉरिएट ऑफ MIT in the USA, and she got the Nobel Prize in 2019 or 2020 if I'm not wrong. You can check it once. And Raghuram Rajan, as you all are aware, he is the former governor of Reserve Bank of India, and Arvind Subramaniam is the former chief economic advisor to the government of India. I hope this is clear. Next is, name the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange which has been issued a warning by UK's financial regulator. So friends, here the correct answer is C, Binance. Binance is actually the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and UK's financial regulator called Financial Conduct Authority has given 2 warnings to Binance. The first one is that Binance is not allowed to conduct any regulated financial activity. सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको पता होगा कि क्रिप्टो करेंसीज जो होती हैं, दीज आर अनरेगुलेटेड डिसेंट्रलाइज सिस्टम, एंड यहाँ पर बाइनेंस इज नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर इनटू अ रेगुलेटेड टाइप ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट लाइक स्टॉक मार्केट्स. ओके, एंड सेकंड जो वार्निंग दी गई है वो लोगों को दी गई है. उन्होंने कहा है FCA ने कि please don't be fooled by the advertisements of very high returns. You can even lose your money in crypto asset investments. Okay, so this led to a fall in cryptocurrencies. Okay, next, which state government launched Ashirwad scheme to provide financial assistance to children orphaned in COVID-19? So friends, यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर है D, उड़ीसा. अब इस स्कीम के अकॉर्डिंग, जैसा कि आप समझ गए होंगे, the state government is going to provide financial assistance to children who were orphaned due to COVID-19 after April 2020, and this scheme was launched by CM Naveen Patnaik on Father's Day. Okay, next is, name the title of India's official Olympic theme song that was launched by Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju in June 2021. So this is a very important question, guys, because Olympics अभी recently शुरू होने वाले हैं in August. So Olympics related news आपको पता होनी ही चाहिए. So here the correct answer is D, लक्ष्य तेरा सामने है, and this song is sung by मोहित चौहान. Okay, so आप ये दोनों चीज़ें याद रखिएगा. So friends, now we are on the assignment part of this video. आप मुझे इन तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर ज़रूर बताइए. So name the first ever swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympic Games, and this person is also the first person from India to qualify for a swimming event. Okay, next, the global body against money laundering and terror financing FATF has retained Pakistan in dash list. So please tell me the color of this list. Lastly, who received Japan's Fukuoka Grand Prize for 2021? So यहाँ पर आपको मुझे जर्नलिस्ट का नाम बताना है. Okay, name the journalist. So friends, with that we come to an end to this video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm pretty sure आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा और आपने इससे कुछ सीखा है. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on business awareness, current affairs, verbal ability, etc. And also visit novation.in to get the free PDFs of these lectures, and also go ahead and support Novation by going to the donate button. Alright friends, so with that, I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye, and please take care.